Yo, what is up, you guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, we're gonna be going to the muffler shop. I'm gonna be throwing back on the Mbrp catback. So for those of you guys who don't know or are new to the channel, I used to have that exhaust system on the car before I got my headers on, but I took them off because I work really early in the mornings, and I obviously don't want problems with my neighbors because they had already complained previously about, you know, just the catback. So now with the headers, it would have been way too loud. But anyway, obviously I miss being, you know, I miss having a loud car because it's not that loud with just the like the setup right now is just headers, catless headers, and the stock exhaust system. So yeah, like stock mufflers and everything. But yeah, I miss it, so we're gonna be going to the muffler shop. I was like, fuck it, hopefully he could throw it on today. And yeah, I'll give you guys a couple videos of how it sounds after with the headers and the Mbrp exhaust. So you guys can tell, it's obviously pretty quiet in here, no drone, anything like that. But yeah, we miss being loud, so let's go ahead and see if they can install it today.
Hey man, doesn't this thing come with a cutoff anyway?
Cutoff switch? No, the premium package does come with that switch for the exhaust, but this one doesn't.
Yeah, you should probably look into that.
Yeah.
Like literally, you're turning heads. I thought you were speeding down the street, but it's just you pulling out of a driveway.
I literally just like got it. Like I was literally leaving the shop right now.
Yeah, I totally get it.
Oh, that sucks.
All right, man. Here's your information back. You're gonna get a fixed ticket for your modified exhaust.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know you can't be straight pipe in your car, right?
Yeah. All right, guys. So just my fucking luck. I was literally exiting the driveway to the muffler shop, and I get pulled over. There's a cop like at the corner at the light, and he's got his lights on. You know, he's pulling over this truck, and then he sees, like, he hears my car turn on, obviously. So he like looks back, and I'm pulling out, and I'm like, I immediately see him watch me. So I'm like, obviously, like, I'm not gonna rev it or do anything, and I'm literally just pulling out, and he leaves the truck that he's pulling over, and he comes and he pulls me over, and then he's all like, oh, I thought you were speeding and this and that, but you were just pulling out of the driveway. He was like, there's no way that's stock. Luckily, you know, he didn't pop the hood or anything like that. But anyway, it sucks. I already got pulled over. It literally didn't even last 2 minutes. Like, that's terrible. It's California for you. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna enjoy it for like a month now till I have to go get the fix-it ticket, you know, dealt with. But yeah, I got some sound clips for you guys to let you guys know how it sounds. It honestly is pretty loud, like it's pretty crazy. So the setup is Texas Speed long tube headers, catless of course, with the Mbrp race series. Let me give you guys a little warm start to so you guys can see how it sounds. So yeah, that's what a warm start sounds like. I've been driving the car around, just came back from the gym, but yeah, it's pretty fucking loud. Like I said, I'm gonna be keeping it like that for about a month since I already got pulled over, you know, so might as well. But yeah, I'll get some flyby clips as well. But from the interior, it honestly, like, it kind of does drone a little bit. Obviously compared to when I had the stock exhaust, it's gonna sound, you know, a little louder, like the drone inside, but it's honestly not that bad. Give you guys some revs.